Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is the data and information. So, there is a lot of difference in between the data and information. So, in this video, you may get the clarity what is the data and information. So, as per the definition of data, it is a set of raw facts about an object. What is the object? Object nothing but anything, means it is a pen, or it is a chair, or it is a mobile, or it is a computer, or it is a table, and so on. So, these are the objects. What are the raw facts about an object? So, raw facts nothing but it is a properties of an object. What is the property of an object? Let us take a simple example. It is a pen. Pen is an object. So, what are the properties of this object? Is what is the pen color, and what is the height of the pen, and what is the width of the pen, and so on. These are the property of an object. These properties are called as a raw facts about an object. These raw facts can be stored in the form of text, or either numbers, or either images, or either speech, and so on. Okay. So, that is a data. Means data can be defined as it is a raw facts about an object that can be recorded in the form of text, numbers, and images, and speech, and audio, and so on. Okay. Now, let us take the simple example to understand what is the data. Now, where we will take the simple example, one of the object that is called as a student. Now, if you take the student as an object, now what are the property of the student? Now, we may consider that student number, and student roll number, and student name, and student marks. That means not the student number here, serial number, student roll number, student name, and student marks. So, these are called as a properties of an object, which is called as raw facts about an object. So, this is called as a data. Means as we know that the data can be stored in the form of text, or either images, or either speech, or either audio, and so on. Now, these are called as a data. These are called as a data. Means now each and every property has its own data type, means serial number. Serial number means now it has their own data type, means that serial number must be in the form of numeric values. And next one is come to the roll number. Roll number must be a numeric values. And next one is student name. Student name must be a characters. So, characters and numbers and strings, these are called as a data type. Every property has its own data type to represent in the form of tables. So, this is called as a data. Now, let us what is the information. So, information nothing but processing the data. Whenever we can process the data, then we will get the information. Means how we can process the data here, as we know that serial number, we do not know what is the serial number. Student roll number, we do not know what is the student roll number. The student roll number must be represented in the form of numbers. We cannot mention that the student roll number is, that is called as X, Y, and Z, because of its own data type is only numeric values. And similarly, serial number means we must mention that what is the numeric values 1, 2, 3, and so on. We cannot mention that it is X, it is Y, it is Z. Means to process the data, we must require what is its own data type. That means what is the data type of serial number, and what is the data type of roll number, and what is the data type of student name, and what is the data type of student marks. So, for the student marks, we must provide that what is the numeric values. Just like we have to process the data. If you process the data, then we will get the information. Means the serial number can be represented in the form of 1, 2, 3, and what is the student roll number 19x 5180 500, okay, 200 or 400. Okay. Similarly, what is a student name? Student name nothing but it must be in the form of characters. What are the characters here? Ramu, Sita, Lakshman. And similarly, what are the student marks? Those marks must be represented in the form of numeric values. Okay. So, this is called as a data, this is called as a data, and this is called as, this entire thing can be considered as information. This is called as information. What is the information? When we can process the data, then only we will get the information. means now this entire thing can be considered as a information. So, its properties of an object is called as a data. In the DBMS, what are the properties? Properties are also called as attributes of an object. So, in the database management system, we will call as the properties are also called as attributes. So, this is called as what is the data and what is the information. Data nothing but it is a set of raw facts about an object or the property of an object or other attributes of an object is called as a data. And what is information? When we can process the data with its own data type of each and every attribute, that is called as a information. So, this is a simple video about the data and information. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.